Okay, want a sports car that never goes out of style? Then how about this? It's a Porsche 911 convertible Carrera 4S. Yes, it's a four-wheel drive. Now, it takes a lot for us to sell a car of this age. It's a 2014 64. Great ownership, great mileage. It's only done 54,900 miles, but this car has got full, extensive Porsche service history. It's also have an extended Porsche warranty until June 2027, which is, if that's not a buying feature, I don't know what is. It's in an outstanding order throughout, paintwork, condition of the interior, and if you're looking for a 911, this is a classic looking car. In white, I love the colour. It reminds me when I was a kid watching something like Miami Vice. It's a great example, and it's also a great price. That extended warranty is the biggest thing for us here selling this car, but it's also got options. Wheel upgrade with red calipers. Of course, it's a four-wheel drive convertible. It's a four-seater sports car, but it has the 14-way sports seats with memory. It has the Sportdesign steering wheel. It has BOSE stereo. It has heated seats. It has cruise control, sports chrono. It's a great car. It really is a top car. Now, 3.8 litre flat six. Now, this is a 400 brake horsepower sports car. Sport exhaust giving it a real raspy noise, and it sounds really nice, this vehicle. But for me, looking round it, if you're in the market for a classic sports car, something that classically designed, doesn't go out of style in its shape, this is really, really nice indeed. Love the little slatted area to the rear, very Porsche-esque. And listen, this car is in stunning condition. It is absolutely beautiful as you walk around it. The wheels are in great order. It's been looked after properly. It's just a stunner. Now from the front end, again, the colour is called pure white. Suits the car for me, down to the ground. Front and rear sensors. We've got Porsche dynamic light system with xenon headlights. Now don't forget, this is an older car. It's a 2014 car, so it doesn't have all the modern technologies you'll find in a 992 or 992.2. This 991, it's got buttons, and the buttons all do something, and I really like that about this car. It's a cool, cool car. So if you're in the market for something, give me a call. Have a chat to me about this car with full Porsche service history and that Porsche extended warranty. It's a fantastic example for someone wanting to keep it in the garage and use it sparingly on a weekend, or, I mean, being a four-wheel drive, you could jump in it every day and use it and really enjoy it. Now then, leather interior, 14-way sports seats. We've got driver memory, which is into the door there. Folding door mirrors, and if I jump in, show you some of these other lovely features. It's a really nice condition as well for its age. Cruise control is an option. We've then got this Sportdesign steering wheel, which obviously it's an older car, but with the sports chrono, which is down through the center console here, if you look here, when I push that, it gives you the sport, it gives you the sports plus, so cool feature for the car for me. Cruise control. We've then got front and rear sensors. When you put it into reverse, you'll see there's your Parkassist. It's got CD player, very, very cool in my opinion. Heated front seats as options, digital climate control. It's also got navigation and Bluetooth. Sports exhaust switchable here. Excuse me. Sounds really, really good. Other features, we've got wind deflector, electrically operated. We've then got the rear spoiler, again electrically operated. We've then got electrically operated roof, of course, which is a cool way of working as well. Check this out, looks great. Quick and easy as well. This is just a lovely, lovely example, it really is. And then, if we just have a little look under the bonnet or the boot, you do have a little bit of storage space in one of these, but it's all about its condition. I mean, if I look at this front end close up, there's very little stone chippings to it. I mean, minor, and I mean minor, really, really nice. And again, we talk about how the car's being kept. Just look under here. It is stunning. If you have a little look, you've got a bit of a boot, or certainly fit weekend and shopping bags in there easily enough. It's nice and easy to get into as well. This is a top car, 400 brake horsepower, four-wheel drive. Sounds great, looks great, is super cool. Porsche history, Porsche warranty, what more could you want? It's on the website now at a great price, by the way. If you're interested, my name's Richard. Give me a call. Thanks for watching.